So we left Saddle Mountain. We're in Marana now. Roy and Becky are about, well, let's just see. So here I am. There's Appreciation. And if I spin back around this way, whoop, that's Little Gem. There's Roy and Becky, I believe. Oh, yeah, Roy's back over there working on something. Putting up hooks or something. So anyhow, we left Saddle Mountain. Leaving Tonopah, Arizona, it's a straight run on I-10, basically east, back towards Tucson. And took about, it's about a 2.5 hour drive by car. Anyhow, we left Saddle Mountain, and we're in Marana now. We'll be here for 2 weeks. And then I believe heading on to New Mexico. And from there, possibly from New Mexico up to Albuquerque, from Albuquerque to Amarillo, and then Amarillo over to Oklahoma City. And from there, I believe, to Arkansas. So that's kind of the plan for the future, you know, depending on gas prices and how things work out. But we got in yesterday and got kind of a little bit of camp set up. Roy and Becky showed up, and I had done a little bit of searching on the Google and found a little joint up here, R&R Pizza, and we went up there and got a couple of calzones and some ice cream, and it was really good. Probably not very healthy, but it was really good. So what's next? Well, we're going to get the drive shaft back into the old Samurai there, and probably do a little bit of touring around here and make some videos. So stay tuned to that, and we'll see you soon. I'm having a little coffee this morning, and it's a beautiful day. It's going to get a little warm. What else? I don't know. Stay tuned. We'll see. So, put the drive shaft in. We climb underneath. 12 millimeter, 1/2 inch. And we have these 8 bolts here that we will take off. Actually, we'll leave that side on for now.
A few moments later.
The front's easier because you can get the ratchet on there. Bolt. I'll just tighten that one up, and there we go.
That is a drive shaft.
Okay, now that we got that done, let's go for a ride. Peace and love, everyone. Have a good day. Stay out of the future. Stay out of the past. Be happy right now.